Christmas vacation at home by the fire. This is where people belong. With cookies and cocoa lazing in the living room. I thought this would be my life. Guess I was wrong. Dad just pulled up in our driveway in an RV with a giant bow on top. He said that once we get a taste for travel, we will never want to stop. So we're headed down the highway with my brothers who get carsick. I'm a ball of joy. Here we go, oh boy. Camping for Christmas. There can't be anything worse than camping for Christmas. One bathroom for 5 people when you're camping for Christmas. Holy cow, this sucks like wow. Help me now. Now all that we can see is open country with a truck stop here and there. My dad insists on opening all the windows. It really wrecks my hair. Where's the magic of the season in this camper from the 80s? Funny, this Noel feels a lot like hell. Camping for Christmas, it's not what Jesus intended. Camping for Christmas, I'm not allowed to Insta when I'm camping for Christmas. Can't believe it's Christmas Eve. And just when I think life can't sink any lower, Dad declares, we're here, we should take a hike. But it's pitch black and it's freezing, so instead we build a fire. Finally, something that I like. And Mom brings out her homemade cookies. Our fire warms the air by a couple of degrees. The evergreens are everywhere. I guess they kinda look like 1,000 Christmas trees. The clouds have somehow cleared up, and so have all our fights. The stars above are twinkling like 1,000,000,000 strings of Christmas lights. Camping for Christmas? Can you keep a secret? I like camping for Christmas. This could become tradition because camping for Christmas. With some cookies, a fire, the forest, my family under the stars in a retro RV. It kinda works for me. Except I want my phone back. Thank you.